car, bro.
Trying to hold on to the car as much as I can. Right now I'm moving it from where it was at. I started doing all the shit that I was doing a week before Thanksgiving. And it's July 28th. Pretty much done. Just got the clutch bleed line to retighten back up because it's leaking. I'm either going to try and figure out a way to do it while the transmission's on the car. If I can't do it like that, then I will be taking it back out. My wheel looks crooked because I don't have my tow arm on the driver's side. But yeah, we almost there, guys. I'm gonna need you to come up off that supercharger. Yeah, give me that supercharger. I got something better. What the fuck? Nah. Alright, so the diverter valve, the plastic rivets, the mountings, they broke off. So I clipped off the rest, and what I'm gonna do is pretty much like make my own glue or JB weld it. Shit still works. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna send it. Definitely look like it worked and shit. Should be good.